Hello dear followers, today I want to make my painting a little different than the previous ones. I want to talk a bit about loving yourself and respecting your desires and thoughts. Many great people throughout history have had advice on this. Osho is a prominent Indian writer, mystic, and philosopher who has many writings on this subject. In one of his writings, he says, "Loving oneself is the beginning of loving others." Your thoughts and events in your life, relationship, activities, and words are more important than anyone in the world. When it comes to the truth of life, you are the only one who is valuable. That is why the truth of your existence depends on how much you love and take care of yourself, and your relationship with yourself is the most important defining factor in shaping your lifestyle. The less you love yourself, the less you listen to your inner voice, and the less you understand yourself, the more confused and angry you will feel in life. In this painting, I tried to convey the true meaning of this subject by choosing this figure and hand movements. In this painting, I hope I can convey this issue to the dear viewers correctly. Thank you for watching.